This is a strengthening question, and we have to find a statement which will make the conclusion to be properly drawn. The conclusion is that the minister's move has political benefits and the minister is not actually concerned with cleanliness. The missing link is between all the information presented in the dialogue and the conclusion that the move has political benefits and the minister is not actually concerned with cleanliness. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it strengthens this conclusion. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. This answer choice says that this minister's efforts were not as successful as efforts carried out by other ministers. This comparison makes no suggestion regarding whether the minister's move has political benefits and whether the minister is actually concerned about cleanliness. So this answer choice is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. This answer choice talks about the minister consciously using the cleanliness campaign as a marketing tool. So this answer choice supports the view that the minister's move has political benefits, but this answer choice makes no suggestion about whether the minister is concerned about cleanliness. So this answer choice only partially strengthens the conclusion. Let's keep this on hold. Let's see if we have a better answer choice. Answer choice C. This answer choice says that if more money was spent, the campaign would have been more beneficial. Spending more money in any campaign is likely to improve the results of the campaign. So this answer choice is just a statement of fact. Also, this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding whether the minister's move has political benefits and whether the minister is actually concerned about cleanliness. So this answer choice is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice says that the campaign was heavily covered in the media but did not yield significant results in actually improving the cleanliness of cities. If this is so, it indicates the possibility that the minister may be carrying out this campaign in order to achieve certain political benefits and may not be actually concerned with cleanliness. So this answer choice strengthens the claim made by the press representative and hence strengthens the conclusion. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Now between answer choice B and answer choice D, answer choice B only partially supports the conclusion, so let's eliminate it. Answer choice E. This answer choice talks about other cleanliness campaigns and that these campaigns were not heavily covered in media, but this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding whether the minister's move has political benefits and whether the minister is actually concerned about cleanliness. So this answer choice is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the best answer choice.